Okay, everyone. Now we're all logged in. Thank you very much for joining me tonight. Just a short meeting. We're going to discuss the coaching and mentoring aspect of the continuous improvement and lean project. Now, as we previously mentioned, we've established our mission statement for the coaching and mentoring program. I'm just going to read some notes here too, guys. So bear with me on this. Like. If you have any questions, let's discuss it at the end of the project. Now, essentially, our mission statement, just to remind everyone, is to inspire and assist our business to develop ongoing lean and sustainable processes by engaging with our employees and helping to unlock their potential via mentoring and coaching, fostering a commitment towards continuous improvement throughout the business. So tonight, I'm just going to touch briefly on two key aspects of the two key aspects of coaching and mentoring, obviously. Now, as far as the mission statement goes, the initial part of that, the inspire side of it, I'll just discuss briefly. It's based purely around engagement of the employees and working from the top, from the executive down through the business. So we need engagement right through the business. It's got to be driven from the executive level. Now we've garnished a commitment, obviously, to this point from the executive. They understand that this is an important process for the business to move forward. So we've got the two of the executives on board, and the COO at this point in time is going to be the sponsor for the project. The aim of the Inspire side of things is to foster a real commitment to continuous improvement through the business. So we're going to have essentially, we'll talk a little bit more about it, but we're going to have a Lean Sigma continuous improvement coordinator position established due to the fact that we're light on for this sort of experience within the business. We're going to contract it out essentially to an external provider. Now, once he has been selected, they will begin the setting up of the national team. Now, obviously, our marketing group will be involved with the national team to work around our engagement in our marketing of the continuous improvement lean program. We've already discussed the awards, both monthly and yearly, individual and across the teams and stores. So we'll have a presentation on a yearly basis. Also, we're going to run numerous surveys, not only within our employee group, but also for our customers and our suppliers, more importantly. Now, on top of that, we're going to be running workshops continually throughout the year as a part of the initial setup process, but also moving forward from that, we hope to have these workshops running within the stores themselves. So that'll be a part of the coaching and mentoring program as well. So to assist the next second part of that mission statement, which is to assist the employees to get the maximum benefit out of their skill set. We've got two aspects of that: the coaching and mentoring. So firstly, we'll deal with the coaching. As previously mentioned, we'll select a national coordinator for the entire project, and he in turn will establish a national team. Now, the national team will be trained and coached along with our 168 store managers and also the chairman for each of the store continuous improvement teams. So all these people will undergo different various levels of continuous improvement lean training, and that'll essentially entail the coaching side of things. Now, the goals for this high level CI group will be to have the stores established and actively running a continuous improvement lean program and teams within 3 months. So we've got a 12-month block we're looking at here. Our goals for the first part of the coaching side of it will be to have the stores effectively running and established their teams within 3 months. Then within 12 years, the coaching goals, we're hoping to have all our current performance KPIs met. So the end of the next year, we'll have all our financial, environmental and supply KPIs achieved as per last year. At the moment, obviously, we haven't made those, and hence that has been the major driver for continuous improvement within the business. The second part will be the mentoring side of things. So once that higher level has been established, we move to the mentoring side. The national team, from within the national team, will establish groups. Now, it's open for discussion. The groups can either be state-based or store-based. So essentially, because we've got a greater number of stores spread across the eastern seaboard, state-based assignments may be a little bit too much for the national team. We might need to have to divvy that up a little bit further. So that we've got to establish that, how we're going to run with that. Now, the national team will mentor the individual stores. There will be a contact point for the store managers and also the chairman of the individual store teams. They'll be available via email, phone. They'll run the workshops. They'll assist where needed and give advice where needed. So their goals and national teams' goals and KPIs will be directly linked to the store's performances and vice versa. This way, we personalise the assistance. It ensures there's a continuity and a consistency, as well as accountability at all levels. So the store team has its accountability. The national team has its accountability. The coordinator and then the executive, and also it defines our roles and responsibilities within the framework. So, are there any questions?